As many of you know, we've had a major hurricane come through the area, Hurricane Helene. From day one, as soon as we saw kind of some of the destruction and some of the devastation that came through the area, we knew that there was a need for our services. We had to deploy helicopters out there to some of these areas that were in need. You know, this was not anything like we've ever seen in this area. We've had just roads, interstates, railways, everything washed out. Just like everything stopped. You know, no way to get supplies in, no way to get supplies out. So that's where we came in. We are able to get in some of these crucial supplies. People need food, people need water, baby essentials. There's nursing homes now that the supply chain is stopped. People were asking for insulin. We were able to get insulin in, batteries, flashlights. They need things to cook on, buddy heaters, and just amazing what the donations that have came in. I literally put a request on Facebook of we need this, and like hours later we have these donations that are just piling up of the special requests that we've had. So just again, amazing how the whole community works. It's the Appalachian way. Like we drop everything and we help our neighbors. It's just what we do. In our case, we fly. I mean, these are mountains that we fly over every day, that we show thousands of tourists, and that's the biggest need, was for us to be able to come in and to fly these supplies in where needed to get them in the hands of the people of the community in Western North Carolina and the Appalachians. So this obviously is not the end. We're slowly, helicopter operations, we're slowly starting to pull those back a little bit. Most roads are starting to be accessible, or the people in the community in the Appalachians, they're all working together. They're making their own roads, they're making their own bridges, but this is not over yet. You know, this is going to take time. This is going to take time for everyone we're in the rebuild process now. So these supplies that have came in, there's, you know, some have an abundance, but even though they're not using them for 5 or 6 days, it's not used up. These supplies are going to be used. So we just ask that as we get back into our normal swing, just don't forget the Western North Carolina, the Appalachian Mountains, and all the destruction that's happened there. And Scenic Helicopters, we're here. Anything that we can do, any requests that we have, we are here at any given moment. Whatever needs to be done, you can count on us here.